Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today's lesson is on how to speed claim. I will show you how to make over 100 claims in less than 10 minutes. Sign up to help coin with your email. Do the same for Auto Faucet, Only Faucet and Gamerly. Auto Faucet, Only Faucet, and Gamerly are all pretty much the same. Now bring up a separate window with your Faucet Pay account so you can check your payments. On your Faucet Pay dashboard you will see coins collected today and payouts received. This is where you will be tracking your payments. Sign up to all of these websites by clicking on the links in the description below. Okay, now go back to the Help Coin homepage and log in. On the homepage you will see the list of coins you can claim. In this case I'm going to select ADA. After you select your coin you will see a CAPTCHA claim in the middle of the screen. Solve CAPTCHA to claim. Wait for the timer to run out and claim again. Now let's move on to Only Faucet. You have your dashboard on the left-hand side. Here you can see your Faucets tab and Shortlinks tab. Select Faucet and choose the coin you want to claim. Make sure you click away the annoying pop-up ads before claiming. A CAPTCHA should appear in the middle of the screen. Once you solve it, the coins go directly to your Faucet Pay account. You can quickly jump back to the Help Faucet tab and make a quick claim. Next, go to Only Faucet. You have your dashboard on the left-hand side. All these faucets are pretty much the same. Solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Wait for the coins to get credited to your account. Now click on the Gamerly tab and select Faucet from the dashboard on the left-hand side. Make sure to click out any annoying pop-ups, it makes the site easier to use. Select which coin you want to claim and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. As you can see, all these faucets are the same. Periodically go back to your Faucet Pay account to check to see if your balance has been updated. Continue to shuffle back and forth between windows, claiming as many times as you can. Repeat this process until you have completed 100 claims. I'm going to speed up the footage so you don't have to see me claiming for 10 minutes. Are you enjoying the Super Mario Bros. Music? If you are, then like and subscribe. If you don't like the music, then there must be something wrong with you. Okay, that's enough for now. As you can see, my payouts went from nothing to over 60 in no time. I'll continue claiming until I get to 100. Now that you've learned how to speed claim, go and make some quick money. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.